Those are some rough seas. Come on, I want to see you. Go. You got the perfect thing. There's nobody here. Go on. So this is the Blackpool waterfront. This is the promenade. And there is Blackpool Tower in the distance. You want to get in?
No, thank you.
What?
I mean, I don't want to get in that.
Jump in.
No, thanks.
Then why did you skate here? Push off hard. Is it too bumpy?
Yeah.
Okay. Go again.
Daddy, would you like to go?
Yes, he would.
It tickles my
Just
feet.
put it down.
Yeah, you can go down for a second. Do you want to come sit on the bench? Yeah.
Whoa!
Did it go over the edge? Oh no! Are you hiding, Charlotte? Of what?
Feet.
Oh.
Come on. Just do that.
What did she do?
She fought.
What did you do?
Mommy, I say you can hear the microphone. In the sand.
Wedding chapel if you feel so inclined. With Blackpool Tower as the view and the ocean on the other side. I wonder how many sober weddings have happened there.
Very many.
None.
You mean smooth?
She's like so big though, but still.
Yeah.
Look at my nice belly. Oh,
Nice.
Bella. But I can't commit to it.
Just pretend like you're surfing.
But it's if you just walk next to me so that I could grab hold of you if I need to.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Yes!
wiggle, 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 wiggle. You got it.
Good try.
That was. You're halfway there.
Ready? Now.
Wiggle, wiggle. Yes. Oh.
Go.
Bigger wiggles. Bigger wiggles. There we go. That was good.
Okay, I'm done. I'm sweating like a pig, guys. You know, this place has always been so crowded, I've never noticed that building properly before.
It's pretty cool.
And there's a carriage and a horsey. Wow! Are you excited? What's over there? And? And a carriage, hey?
Princesses can go and get married.
Oh, is that what happens? Do you love him? You can't go to him, Bob. So we're all having a squashy ice cream. How's your ice cream? How's your ice cream? What does it taste like?
Squashy.
Oh my goodness, and it's a squashy. Hello. Oh my goodness, Bella, could you get any more pink and white?
Strawberry vanilla.
It does taste like strawberry vanilla. Oh. I just like the view of the Winter Gardens, Blackpool Tower, and then this like water going.
I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. That's the way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine?
Hey, what do you think, girls? Can you see all the mermaids lit up? So pretty. Yes, sirens. They're up there, it's not you. Look at these. It's like rainbow lights going out. That's beautiful. And then some that aren't yet lit up.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. I can see the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it